Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to use Turbotax Business Incorporated. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Turbotax official website. Over here, search for Turbotax or enter the URL directly. Then, click on the Sign In button. Over here, enter your account credentials or create a new account if needed. After that, go to the Turbotax home dashboard. Over here, access your main tax filing area. After that, click on the Personal Profile tab. Over here, update your name, address, and personal details. Then, enter your personal information. Over here, add your social security number, filing status, and dependents. After that, follow the on-screen prompts. Over here, complete all required personal details correctly. Then, go to the Income section. Over here, start reporting all your income sources. After that, enter wages, rental income, investments, and other earnings. Over here, input all financial details accurately. Then, carefully review all entered information. Over here, ensure everything is correct before proceeding. After that, complete the guided steps. Over here, follow Turbotax instructions to finish your filing. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.